Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to set up family sharing and safe settings in YouTube Kids app on iPhone. If you want your kids to watch safely, here's how to do it step by step. First, download and open the YouTube Kids app from the App Store. Tap I'm a parent, then sign in with your Google account. This lets you manage family profiles. Next, set up a child's profile. Enter the name, age, and choose the right content label: preschool, younger, or older. YouTube Kids will filter videos based on that. Next, on your iPhone, go to settings and then go to your name and then look for the option of family sharing, or just search set family sharing, and then you will have to be 18 plus to use that. So if you are 18 plus, then what you have to do is go to settings, your name, and then family sharing. Add your child's Google account or Apple account if you want screen time controls. Once added, you can monitor their YouTube Kids activity and set limits. Now open YouTube Kids and then go to settings, and then what you can do is tap the lock icon. Then what you can do is turn or search on or off to stop them from searching outside the recommended library from here. And then next, what you can do is set a timer to limit how long they watch a video. And then next, what you can do is block or report videos that you do not like. Safety tip: always keep the search feature for your younger kids and review watch history often. Quick fix: if family sharing controls don't sync, update both the YouTube Kids and app and your iOS to the latest version, then relink the accounts. Subscribe for more